Here we go. They're still outside. Well, everyone's been talking negative about vultures, and I'm Native American Indian, um, and some of them represent death, but in reality, it can be death as in like rebirth, like a butterfly. But also, they're the messengers of between life and death. They are, they communicate in between both worlds, and some people use them for protection. They're actually very intelligent birds, and they also can mean cleanliness. They're very unclean birds, but they can also be an omen. However, I love this bird. A vulture is my favorite bird. We were raised to believe and know that the vulture, the eagle, the hawk, and the falcon and the osprey are messengers from God. So I don't know how I feel about everybody keeps saying, oh, the vulture's demons and blah, blah, blah. They get a bad reputation like the crow and ravens. A lot of people see those as omens as well. But if you do further research, the vulture actually, like the crow and the raven, they can be an omen, just depends on your mindset. But if you're a positive, godly person, it's actually good luck. Like I said, most of the time they are closer to psychics like crows. But this is a treat. Really, this is just an honor. And furthermore, several Egyptian gods honored vultures. Everybody wants to be funny. I study the whole aspect of all cultures, not just God, the creator of all creation. These birds and animals, they have messages for you and for me. And when you see a bird fly in front of your windshield or an animal run in front of your car or something weird, that's usually a spirit wanting you to read the message. So whatever happens with the particular animal you see, like the vulture, you should spirit totem vulture and see what their message is. And not just the first one, several of them. Because you can't let the negativity seep in. Just depends on how your mindset is. Like for me, I said, this is my favorite bird, and this is like a treat. I'm so excited. And there's two. And then you got to look up the representation of number two. There's lots of messages. Thanks for listening.